सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 20, verse number 7. आत्मा ज्ञानात् जगद्भाति आत्मज्ञानान्न भासते. रज्ज्वज्ञादहिर्भाति ज्ञानादहिर्भाति तज्ज्ञानाद् भासते नहि. Janaka Maharaja presenting his understanding about the Brahman nature. He says the entire universe is Brahman alone, pervaded by Brahman, just as the sugar crystal is there in that sugarcane juice, or sugarcane juice is there in sugar crystal. Similarly, the entire universe is pervaded by Brahman. You can take a solid form crystal like Jagat. Brahman is the juice, sugarcane juice like. Wherever you taste that crystal, you taste the only sugarcane juice. Nothing but other than sugarcane juice. So sugarcane juice only solid form sugar crystal. Similarly, Janaka Maharaja says the entire universe is Brahman. Universe is nothing but Brahman wherever you see, whatever you see. This is the understanding of Janaka Maharaja. But for normal people it is very difficult. I don't see anywhere Brahman. I see only the world. How can I understand this? This world is appearing in front of me. How the transactions are possible, how this world has come. All these things I am not able to believe that is Brahman alone. So the teaching in this Ashtavakra Gita is only for an advanced student. I said the one who has completed Bhagavad Gita Upanishadic teaching, the entire Ashtavakra Gita, whole Gita, this book is talking about Turiya Atma standpoint. It is talking about Turiya Atma standpoint. Therefore, you require a background of Upanishads and Gita. It is like traveling through helicopter. If you want to go to Manas Sarovar, Kailash or Muktinath, there are two types of conveyance. You can go by walk also. You can go by helicopter also. Ashtavakra Gita is like going by helicopter. So it goes straight to helicopter and takes and land there. Turiyatma Muktinath. No. Therefore, the student has to acclimatize the teaching. Therefore, when you want to go to high peaks, generally Kailas Muktinath or any mountain areas you want to go, the doctors never advise to go by flight or a helicopter. They ask go by walk slowly. Every day, daytime you walk, night you take rest, and next day you walk and rest again, like that. Even Amarnath also. Once this helicopter comes, people are all started traveling by helicopter. That which takes 4 days, 5 days journey, it will take 5 minutes within by helicopter. Sudden change of altitude, sudden change in that air, sometimes some people get heart attack also because of not having acclimatization. Your body cannot withstand to that climate. That is why they advise go by walk. Helicopter is not advisable. See, Shastra provides helicopter-like teaching also for Uttam Adhikaris. For Uttam Adhikaris are like gradual Adhikaris, acclimatization. If you study from the beginning, from past 13-14 years I am teaching, those who are studying from the beginning, for them itself it is difficult. So, suppose you may have Purva Janma Samskara, you have already completed Karma Yoga, Upasana Yoga, you are qualified enough, you may enjoy Ashtavakra Gita very well. Okay, either you have to finish here the study, or because of your Purva Janma Samskara, sometimes you may grasp that Ashtavakra Gita, you like that subject, you love that subject. So, Janaka Maharaja talking from the Turiya Atma standpoint. So, slowly we have to acclimatize with that, what? Janaka Maharaja's understanding. We have to acclimatize. Therefore, he says here, why this Jagat appears, everything is Brahman, why I am seeing only world, not Brahman? The question. Everything is Brahman, why I am not seeing Brahman, why I am seeing the world only? For that he says, Atma Ajnanat Jagat Bhati. Jagat and universe, world. Bhati appears in front of us. World appears as world to you because of what? He says one word, Atma Ajnanat. Because of ignorance of self. Atma Ajnanam means ignorance of your own self. Atma Ajnanat, because of this reason, Panchami, because of this self-ignorance, only for you the world appears. Jagat Bhati. Atma Jnanat na bhati na. If you get Atma Jnanam, self-knowledge, Jagat na bhati, the world will not appear. You should not take literally. For Jnani ki Jagat won't appear. What appears for him? Brahman appears, not world. Don't take literally. Jagat na bhati means Jagat satyatvam na bhati. You don't see the nama rupa as real. He sees only satta, the existence, atma, principle. Existence only he sees real. Even though he sees nama rupa, forms, names and all, they are not real. He knows that. That is the meaning of Jagat na bhati in artham. Atma jnanat, atma eva satyam, Jagat mithya. All the jivas are nothing but Brahman. Nama rupas are lower order of reality. that existence which is all pervading in behind Nama Rupa is Satyam. He knows that. That is because of that Atma Jnanam, Jagat Satyatvam na bhati. You have to supply there. Jagat na bhati means how? Jagat Satyatvena na bhati. Jagat Nama Rupa Satyatvena na bhati. Asti bhati priyam rupam nama. In these five asti existence, bhati chaitanyam consciousness, priyam ananda swarupam, nama rupa amsya panchakam. There are 5 factors. In these 5 factors, 3 of them belong to Brahman, 2 of them belong to world. Asti bhati priyam namachet yamsha panchakam adyatrayam brahmarupam. The first 3, adyatrayam means first 3. What are they? Brahmarupam. They are of the nature of Brahman consciousness. What about these 2? Jagadrupam tatodvayam. Other 2 are only Jagat Rupam. What you are seeing, Nama Rupa. These 3 you are not seeing. Because of which 3 these 2 are standing. Do you see your backbone? Best example. Okay. Can you see your vertebra? This backbone you cannot see. How you are standing, sitting? Because of that backbone. Without backbone you cannot sit. You infer what? This person is having backbone. You are not seeing. How do you know now? He is standing, no? He is standing. Otherwise, how can he stand without that vertebra, that spine? Without that he cannot stand. Are you seeing? No, I need not see. I can infer because he is standing. Similarly, Nama Rupa only I am seeing. One Nama. Nama one, idi Nama illa. Okay. Name. Every one of you have name. Your phone numbers also with me. You all have Nama. Rupa. Nanna theriyadu. Different faces, different complexion, different height, weight. Rupam. Nama, Rupa, visible. What is the backbone? Asti bhati priyam is the backbone. You cannot see it. This Jnani knows this Asti bhati priyam are the backbone of this Nama, Rupa, flesh. It cannot stand otherwise. Similarly, don't take Brahman as a backbone. Okay. Eppadi odambukku backbone mukhyamo, in the whole world ke Jagat ke Brahman da mukhyam. Jagat angara odambukku Brahman angara backbone. Have to understand. Atma jnanat Jagat satyatvam na bhasate. Jagat bhasate. Jagat appears. Hey, if you get Jnanam, the world disappears and chonna yaar next class ke varamatam. Nobody will come to my class next nanda ukarno apro. What is another tragedy, you know? Whoever get Atma Jnanam, world disappears for them. Who will teach us? Suppose world disappears to the teacher. Students disappear. Jagat sishyaha na bhasate. What the teacher teach to whom? So you cannot study Vedanta at all. If you take literally, Jagat na bhasate, Atma Jnani ki Jagat na bhasate. Appo who are all teaching to the students, they are all not Atma Jnanis. Illa problem on. So therefore, many people take it literally. Atma Jnanat Jagat na bhasate. This person is seeing the world, therefore he is not a Jnani. Therefore, he is not a Jnani. People are thinking like that. Jnani means he should not close his eyes. He should not blink his eyes. I used to give an example. In that VGP also, one person stand hours together without blinking. Can you say he is a Brahmajnani? Yeah? Because he is not blinking. Anna. Per hour he gets a lot of money. That's why he is not blinking. So not blinking is not the criteria for Brahmajnana. Okay, not eating, somebody feeding. So he is a Jnani. People consider like that. These are all funny ideas about Jnani. People are all not having knowledge, but they have funny ideas about a Jnani. With that funny ideas, they imagine how a Jnani should be. How a Jnani should be. தப்பி தவறு யாராவது குரு வேதாந்தம் சொன்னா கூட இவருக்கு என்ன ஞானம் இருக்கு? ஞானி பேச மாட்டார், தெரியுமோ? ஞானி பேசக்கூடாது, பேச மாட்டார். இது கன்க்ளூஷன். Funny idea. If Jnani is not talking, the Guru who is teaching Mahavakya must be what? Ajnani. Ajnani teach Mahavakya. What we get? Ajnanam. Yerkanave Ajnanam irukku namakku. Enna funny ideas. Jnani will not talk. Jnani always be silent. அவர் ரொம்ப மௌனமாக இருப்பார். எப்போவுமே இப்படியே சொல்லுவோம். ரொம்ப மௌனமாக இருப்பார். Therefore what? Jnani. பைத்தியக்காரன் கூட மௌனமாக தான் இருப்பார் ஒரு வாட்டினா. The person who is mentally retarded also maunam. Maunam is not the criteria to establish is a Jnani. It's a knowledge you can establish. When you are a Jnani, only you can know your Guru is Jnani or not. அது வரைக்கும் nodding the head தான். நம்ம குருக்கு ஞானம் இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு எப்படி தெரியும்? நம்ம படித்து நம்ம ஞானம் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் தெரியும். அது வரைக்கும் அவ்வளோதான். This world appears for a Ajnani, Atma Jnani, not for a Jnani, Atma Jnani. Just as he gives the example, Rajju Ajnanat, because of the ignorance of the rope, Rajju means rope. Ajnanat, because of that ignorance, not knowing the rope as rope, what appears? Ahihi bhati. Snake, ahi and snake. Bhati appears. Snake bhati. Snake appears. Tad jnanat, Rajju jnanat. Once I know Rajju as Rajju, rope is rope, what will happen? Nahi tat bhasate. Ahihi na bhasate. Snake never appears. Once I know the rope as rope, I see only rope, not snake. Rajju jnanat sarpaha ahihi na bhasate. Therefore, people always think this world is always problematic. I am a Vedantic student. I want calm, quiet life. I want to be free from this world. I want to distance the world. To be safe, I want to distance the people. I want to distance my relatives. I don't like anybody. People say like this. I don't like anybody to talk. People are always talk worldly things. People are always problematic. And therefore, I don't want to go. I want to distance the world because I am a spiritual seeker. I want to distance the world. I want to keep away from the world. Safe ஆயிருக்கணும். அதனால அதெல்லாம் தள்ளி நான் எங்கேயோ இருக்கேன். ஒரு மூளை கார்னரில் உட்காருவேன். இல்லை நான் பாட்டுக்கு நான் படிச்சுட்டே இருப்பேன். நான் பாட்டுக்கு நான் தியானம் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருப்பேன். நான் பாட்டுக்கு நான் வேதாந்தம் படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கேன். சில பேர் இப்படியெல்லாம் பேசுவாள். நல்லது தான், கேட்குறதுக்கு நன்னா இருக்கேன் இல்லையா? We are thinking a teacher so happy when I am doing sadhana. They think teacher is so happy. Shastra says, You are distancing, you are keeping safe, means you are seeing the world. Palm madri. If you see the snake still upon the rope, you want to keep distance. When snake is not there, rope alone is there, why you want to keep distance? If I know everything is Brahman, why I have to keep the people distance? So distance, safe anna puriyala nu artham. Enna Vedantham puriyala nu artham. Tagararu engyo. Sadhana time lo koncham you can be in solitude, that is okay. But not that throughout the life you want to be alone. These people are means you are giving satyatvam to nama rupa. Still you have not understood what is Brahman. This is one problem after coming to Vedanta. Many people suffer with this problem only. Shastrathike varamata vanda na tani ulagam tani. Na tani ulagam tani ani solli adu oru 10 varsham 20 varsham appadiye poidum life. Nee tani neppa nee ani engi irukke neeye illiye. You are Brahman, world is Brahman. Still why you are in nama rupa, satyatvam. So where we are, edu purinja maadhiri irukum puriyadu. Still I am seeing the people are problematic, giving problem. Rajju jnanat ahina bhasate. Brahma jnanat atma jnanat jagat bhasate. Is a problematic world? Troubling world? No. World is wonderful. For a jnani, world is wonderful. The moment I forget my real nature, I give importance to nama rupa, there is still I am in ajnana nartham. I have not understood my real nature. The jagat real nature also I have not understood. That's why Jnani ki Adveshta Sarva Bhutanam Maitra Karuna Evacha. Adveshta, how can I deny, how can I distance people? You distance and you go somewhere, you want to distance them also later. Like this, how long you go away from where you go? Everywhere Brahman is there, Nama Rupa is there. See that Nama Rupa as Mithya. Problem is Mithya. All pains are only because of you give reality to them. You are not able to see the Brahman really. You have not identified yourself with Brahman. I am Brahman, not identification also. That word also not meaningful. I am Brahman. Aham Brahma Asmi. இது வரத்துக்கு ரொம்ப நாள் ஆகும். படிக்க 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 கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் வரும். எனக்கு where we are, where Janaka is, understand. So he is go on telling about that Atma Swarupam, the glory of Atma Swarupam. Next shloka, number 8. Up to here we saw in the last class. Prakasho me nijam rupam natirikton smyaham tatah yada prakashate vishvam tadaham bhasa evahi Further he continues. Yada Vishwam Prakashate, second line. Yada, when Vishwam, the universe, the world, Prakashate, appears, manifests. Prakashate, tada aham bhase evahi. Here bhasa is there because of sandhi rule. Bhase it is not a printing mistake. When you split it, you have to read it as bhase. Tada, that then and there, Aham bhase, I manifest, I the consciousness manifest. Evahi, before every experience, I must be there. Without me, there is no experience at all. Vishwam, that Vishwam, the world appears to me. I get the knowledge of the world, names and forms. Before that knowledge, I must be there. Who is that? Prakashaha me nijam rupam. Me, mama, means my. Nija rupam, my original nature. Intrinsic nature. Nija means original, intrinsic. Rupam means nature. Nature here, not form. Rupa means not form. Nama Rupa and Chollambadu form. Inge Rupam and Chollambadu my form and Chollakuda. My real nature. What is my real nature? Prakashaha. Prakashaha means Chaitanyam. Consciousness. Consciousness associate with objects named as knowledge. Consciousness associate with objects. I am conscious of this clip. I am conscious of this flower. Consciousness associated with clip is known as clip knowledge. Consciousness plus flower object association. I know I am conscious of flower knowledge. So consciousness, when it is associated with an object, you get what? Knowledge. So consciousness, when it is associated with an object, it is called knowledge. Knowledge without object is called consciousness. Knowledge minus object. I am conscious of what? No object now. I remain as consciousness. Knowledge without an object is called consciousness. Consciousness associated with the object is called knowledge. Consciousness associated with the object, any object, is equal to knowledge. I get knowledge. Are you associated with the clip now? You are associated with the flower. You are conscious of flower. You are conscious of clip. What you got? Clip knowledge, flower knowledge. So one clip is not there, flower is not there. Knowledge minus clip, flower. I am consciousness. You are conscious of what now? I am not conscious of anything. I am consciousness. Okay? Therefore, prakashaha means here consciousness. I am consciousness in all experiences, worldly experiences. So, to be conscious, I must exist. I exist, I am conscious of the worldly objects. Can worldly objects exist without consciousness? They never exist. So existence is there, consciousness is there. Therefore, I am lending the existence and consciousness to that chair, to that objects. That consciousness is enlivened here because of Sukshma Sariram. But in chair there is no Sukshma Sariram. Therefore, chair cannot walk. Better not to walk. Suppose it walks, where you will sit? Where you will sit? Therefore, there must be certain objects without subtle body. Okay. Otherwise, they will also walk. Evening walk போயிட்டு வரேன் 4 கால் கொடுத்திருக்கார் பகவான் எனக்கு பார்க்க சுத்திட்டு வரேன்னா no chair will be in the class. You have to stand and listen because you cannot sit down. Thank God Sukshma Sariram is not there. There is only Sat is manifesting. Consciousness is not manifesting, it is there. பட் இனஸ் நான் இருக்கேன் எனக்கு தெரியும். அதுக்கு தான் அஷ்டாவக்ர கீதை எவ்வளோ கேட்டாலும் அதுக்கு மோட்சம் வராது, நமக்கு மோட்சம் வந்துடும். புரியறதோ? தட்ஸ் வை பிரகாஷா மம நிஜரூபம் ந அதிரிக்தஹ அஹம் அஸ்மி ததஹ. ததஹ பிரகாஷாத் அதிரிக்தஹ. ஐ எம் நாட் டிஃபரெண்ட். அதிரிக்தஹ டிஃபரெண்ட். अहम न अस्मि चैतन्यात् अतिरिक्तः. I am not different from. Tatah means from prakashah, from chaitanyam. Chaitanyat prakashat tatah na atiriktah aham asmi. I am not different from that prakashah. Who says? Janaka Maharaja is telling. That means he is keeping Panchakoshas Sariratrayam Mithya. He is talking from what standpoint? Paramarthika Satyam Atma Turiya Atma standpoint Chaturtha Padaha. He is talking. Nama kekum bodhu eppadi kekanum? Now what is our job? A student of Ashtavakra Gita, adi 10th sloka padichu solren. Wait. Okay. Aho Aho vikalpitam vishvam ajnanatmayim bhasate rupyam shuktau phanirajjau वारी सूर्य खरे यथा. Ashtavakra Gita student, especially Ashtavakra Gita student, while listening in the class and the teacher is talking about Ashtavakra Gita, the subject is going on. The student has to convert that Shravanam into Nididhyasanam. The Shravanam itself must be a Nididhyasanam, contemplation. Under one condition. How can I convert the Shravanam into Nididhyasanam? Nididhyasanam anna edo veetiki poi ukkanandi samadhi abhyasa roopa Nididhyasanam anna asanam sthiti pranayama panni I can contemplate. How can I do Nididhyasana in the class itself? Other classes if you do or not, it doesn't matter. But Ashtavakra Gita class, you have to convert the Shravanam into Nididhyasana. How? One condition. The condition is when the teacher is talking about Atma, Brahman, what the student has to say? I am ani kekanum. Atma nu sonna udane naan ani convert pannanum. Brahma aham. I have to listen as Brahman. I have to listen as Atma. Not so and so living in so and so address, new number, old number. And the address la naan irukken. So and so office la vela pandren appadi kekka koodadhu. That means I am doing only listening, Shravanam. If I am doing Nididhyasanam really, I have to forget my name, form, address, new number, old number, all I have to address, mother, father, relation, everything temporarily I have to distance them. You have to distance that only. Temporarily, mentally you have to distance. When Guru says that Atma, I have to take that Atma myself. Atma Nityaha, eternal, I am eternal. Atma Shuddhaha, pure, I am pure. Why? Because I am Atma. Brahman is all pervading, I am all pervading. Why? I am Brahman. Yedi chonnalum, naan dhan sollanum anga poi. Just as like a baby, whatever father, mother buys, they take it immediately. This is mine. This is mine. Like that, Ashtavakra Gita class lo, whenever Guru is talking about Atma, Turi Atma, this is my nature. This is my nature. I am all pervading. I am free. I am Shuddhaha. I am Muktaha. I am everything. That's what he is talking now. Janaka Maharaja. That this is the condition. If you listen like that, very easily the subject will enter inside, in the mind. Very easily. Otherwise, அது எங்கேயோ இருக்கும், நான் எங்கேயோ இருப்பேன். ஆத்மா ஆத்மா பிரம்மா பிரம்மா பிரம்மன் 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 ஐ மை செல்ஃப் னு எழுதணும். பழகணும். அப்படியே சொல்லி சொல்லி பழகணும். மேக் ஃபேக் இட் அண்ட் மேக் இட் ன்னாரு. சொல்லி சொல்லி பழகணும்னாரு. Okay, that is the condition. Now look into the shloka. Aho vikalpitam vishvam. It's a great wonder how this Maya is vikalpitam, adhyastam, mithya, jagat, vishwam, vikalpitam. It is adhyastam. Vikalpitam, mithya, prapanchaha, superimposed upon me because of this Maya. I wonder this Maya really great. Whose Maya? My power. Maya is my power. Can Maya exist separately from me, the Brahman? No. It doesn't have independent exist of its own. Can heat exist separate from fire? Heat cannot exist. Agni Tattvam, the Ushnam, Aushnyam, both together. Agni, Dahaka Shakti, burning power. Wherever fire is there, there is burning power. Like that, wherever Brahman is there, Maya power is there. There is no Maya power without Brahman. Who is that Brahman? I am. I am Brahman. Whose power is Maya? My power. Can Maya power exist separate from me? No. It is not independently existing. Swatantra satta nasti. So, aho kalpitam vikalpitam vishwam. This Maya is superimposing upon me the whole Vishwam, the creation. Ajnanat mayi bhasate, because of my ignorance. Mayi bhasate, really speaking, it is shining, enlivening. The entire Nama Rupa, it is a Upadana Karanam. Maya is the Upadana Karanam. Ishvara used Maya as Upadana Karanam, his power. So therefore he says, Mayi, upon me, Ajnanat bhasate. Really speaking, Jnanat nahi bhasate. Only because of ignorance, it makes my real nature concealed. Concealment. Because of that concealment, what Maya doing? Abhimana, Deha Abhimana, Manabhimana, Raga, Dvesha, Kama, Krodha, none in the body. I want. Alla pandrathu yarunna Maya da. That's what he says. Aho, what a great wonder this Maya is doing. If you do not know aho, wonder, you will say ayo. Last class I told you. Say aho, my Maya power this is. Can burning power of the fire afflict the fire? Very important point. Can burning power of the fire afflict the fire? No, never. At any time, at any place. Because of that fire, only the burning power is existing. How can it afflict the fire? Similarly, my Maya power, because of which Nama Rupa are coming and appearing, can that Maya power, Nama Rupa, which is appearing, can afflict me, the Brahman? No. But then why I am suffering morning to till night? Problem. Face ஒரு மாதிரியா வச்சுண்டு கஷ்டப்பட்டு இருக்க. ஏன்னா அஜ்ஞானாத் அஜ்ஞானாத் மயி பாசதே. Because of ignorance, it is appearing upon me. Really speaking, it is not there. It is my glory. When fire is burning, because of using its burning power, burning something else it burns, not the fire. Maya can afflict anything, not the Brahman, me, the Atman. Enna Maya is ella Maya is doing. Hey Maya, you are only operating. You are only operating, Maya. Without your permission, Maya cannot function. Why? It is Jadam. It is Jadam. It cannot function. Understand, Maya is your power. Like fire, power is burning power. Similarly, you are also like a firebrand and children. Firebrand like I am. What? You have power. Agatita Ghatana Patiyasi Maya power you have. You are creating. That is what he says. What are all it creates? Maya. Just like Rupyam Shuktau. Upon a shell. Shuktau means upon a shell. Seashell. Rupyam. It appears like a silver coin. Silver coin. You go for it. Pravritti takes place. Aha. Today, yaar moonju paathano, kaalam kaathala enakku oru villi coin kadikkiradhe enna. Ore aasha. Pravritti ennar. Shuktau Rupyam. Number 1. First example. Similarly, Rajjau Phani. Upon the rope, Phani enna snake. Upon the rope, what appears for this person? Phani na. Nagu Pambu na. தெரியிறது. எப்படி அப்பான்னா தெரியிறதே. எங்க தெரியிறது சுவாமினி அண்ணா? இங்கதான் தெரியிறது. பாம்பு மாதிரி இருக்கு இல்லையா? தெரியிறதே அண்ணா. ரஜ்ஜௌ ஃபணீனா. Third example, வாரி சூரியகரேனர். சூரியகரே வாரி. வாரி என்ன? When you see the sun rays upon the road, what you are seeing? Vari enna? Water. Marriage water. You are seeing marriage water where? Upon the sun rays. Upon the sun rays you are seeing the water. Yatha. So yatha you have to take first. Yatha shuktau rupyam bhasate. यथा रज्जौ फणि भासते, यथा सूर्यकरे वारी भासते, तथा. तथा किम? तथा विश्वम अज्ञानात्मयि भासते. Because of रज्जु अज्ञानात् सर्पम भासते. शुक्ति अज्ञानात् रूप्यम भासते. सूर्यकर अज्ञानात् वारी भासते. Because of the ignorance of rope, snake appears. Because of the ignorance of shell, silver coin appears. Because of the ignorance of sun rays, water appears. Because of ignorance of the self, Vishwam appears. World appears. Puriyarda? Gnaniki what appears? Brahman appears. Appears illa. Brahman nanda maye vasakalam jatam mayi sarvam pratishtitam. Gnanik. So what na? If it appears, so what? Let it appear world na. If it appears, okay, doesn't matter. What happens when that Rajjaus Pani Pasate? What happens? When the snake appears upon the rope, what happens? Appear, let it appear na. You run away. Frightened. Tremors. Fear. Night ku தூக்கத்துல கூட அதே வந்துடும். பயம் இருக்கிற பயம் போது அங்கே கூட வந்துடும். அப்புறம் பயம் இருக்கு. It may bite me. I want to kill it. Running to bring stick something. இல்லைன்னா பாம்பாட்டிக்காரனை கூப்பிட்டு வந்து அப்பா பாம்பு பாம்புன்னு இல்லாத பாம்புக்கு அவனை ஸ்னேக் சார்மன் யூ ஹாவ் டு கால். அவனை வந்து பூ 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 பூன்னு ஊற்றணும். இல்லாத பாம்பு கிட்ட போய் எதுக்கு தேவையா இதெல்லாம்? இது நிவிருத்தி. சுக்தவ் ரூபியம் பிரவருத்தி. அங்கே போனதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன? கோ நியர் த ஷெல். டிசப்பாயின்ட்மெண்ட். அது சொல்ல மாட்டேளே. டிசப்பாயின்ட்மெண்ட். ஹனி 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 சொல்லி கல்யாணம் பண்ணிட்டான். கிட்ட போன உடனே என்ன? ஆல் மைனஸ் பாயிண்ட் சொல்லி அப்பியர்ஸ். பிரம்மனனை பார்க்கக்கூடாதோ? Because I see the body mind as real. Honey, honey, then money, money, later sheni, sheni. This is pravritti. Once I have pravritti, I go near disappointment. I never thought it happens like this. Disappointment. Dukkham. Ange bhayam, inge dukkham. Suryakare vari. In the marriage water, I want to quench my thirst. I run towards that. Utter disappointment. Daha increase ayadu because oditted Leo. Already thirsty. I started running towards marriage water. Because of running, I sweat more and more daham. More disappointment. Failure. Life la failure. Enna failure? Why you have to see water there? இல்லாத இடத்துல வாட்டர் ஏன் பார்க்குறேன்? பாம்பு இல்லை, பாம்பு இல்லாத இடத்துல ஏன் பாம்பு பார்க்குறேன்? இந்த மாதிரி why you have to see என்ன? அஜ்ஞானாத் பாசதே. Even the world also, you see the world fact. What is the fact? Brahman, Satyam. But what you are seeing? My husband, my wife, my son, my daughter-in-law, new daughter-in-law, my grandson, my granddaughter. We are seeing the body, name and form as real. And the relation is real. Relation bond, love and affection real. Relation bond, hatred is real. Relation bond, problems are real. Therefore, that sukha, dukkha, I am in doldrums fully. Sukha sometime, dukkha sometime. Sukha, dukkha, sukha, dukkha. So I am totally disgusted with this world people. யாருன்னு ட்ரஸ்டே பண்ணக்கூடாது சுவாமினி. யார் கேட்டானா? யாருன்னு ட்ரஸ்டே பண்ணக்கூடாது. I am so straightforward. I am so honest. People are all cheating now. You can never change the world because world, nama, rupa, maya, prapancha has got lot of problems. Why the Atma is free from problems? Remember these problems you cannot avoid. Jara, marana, vyadhi, sukha, dukkha, all you can never avoid. But I, the Atma, am free from vyadhi, jara, marana, sukha, dukkha, all opposites are not there in me. இது தெரிஞ்ச அவட நிம்மதி. அஹோ கேட்க சொல்றாரு ஜனக மகாராஜர். அஹோ விகல்பிதம். ஐ எம் மெஸ்மரைஸ்டு பை திஸ் மாயா. டீச்சர் சொன்னாலும் 10 வருஷமா சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கான். மைக்கு 3 மைக்கு வச்சுண்டு, 1க்கு 4 மைக்கு வச்சுண்டு, ஸ்பீக்கர் வச்சுண்டு காதில் அப்படியே சொன்னாலும் கூட வீட்டுக்கு போன உடனே மாமியார் இப்படி பார்க்குறான். mother-in-law sees like this and boss said like that servant did like this, driver gave problem, this problem, house problem, leaking, malakalam, very problem, Swamini. World means problem. Nama Rupa with full of problems. Asti Bhati Priyam, no problem. So what do you want? If you give reality to this, Padu Maname, Padu. Who asked you to give reality? Who asked you? Because of your attachment, because of your aversion, because of your likes and dislikes. Come out of likes and dislikes. Use it, throw it. And the plastic cup madri. Use me, throw me. Whole world is like a plastic cup. Nanna paisam Brahman enjoy panni. Body is like a plastic cup. Paisam kudichu enna pannuvaadu and cup kuda bag la potirada. Cup apdi crush pannittu enga poduvom? Dustbin la. அது மாதிரி பிரம்மன்ங்கிற பாயசம் அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி என்று சொல்றதுக்காக தான் இந்த கண்டெய்னர் பாடி கப்பு. இந்த கப்பு நல்லா யூஸ் பண்ணி போனா போகட்டும். ஐ ஆம் நாட் பாதர் அபவுட் திஸ் கப். ஐ தேங்க் த கப் பிகாஸ் ஓ கப்பு, பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் யூ ஐ எம் என்ஜாயிங் பாயசம். சொல்லலாமா இல்லையா? அதுதான் இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ். ஏய் கப்பு நீ எதுக்கு வந்த எனக்கு கேட்கக்கூடாது. You go. Afterwards, I am going to crush you anyhow. Why you are here? I don't like you. Sollalama, sollakudadu. You have to maryada kudukanum. Kappu vaamma ani sollu. Plastic cup ahatum, silver cup ahatum, golden cup ahatum. You have to respect until payasam goes inside. Ama. Adukapra enna? Thank you. Avladha. Over. Its job is over. Similarly, body also given only to enjoy the Brahman nature, to claim the Brahman nature, to own up the Brahman nature. Use this body, use the relations also. Another cups are there. Not only one cup. In the cup, another cup relation, no? Because they are all meant for my emotional growth. Daughter, son, husband, wife, all relations are for my growth to claim I am Brahman. Not only one cup, there are 2-3 cups connected to this body cup. Therefore, for what sake? Only Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam sake. Afterwards, you need not throw them, you don't crush them. Okay. So, thanks, Cholana. You have to thank those things. Once the body falls, that is called crushing. Yamadharmara is there to crush. Nama crush panna venda. Avare old age ella kuduthu namakku crush panniduvar. Avar crush பண்ணும்போது நம்ம resist பண்ணக்கூடாது. We should not resist. That means what? If you resist, you are having attachment with the cup ன்னு அர்த்தம். பாயசம் குடிச்சா இல்லையோ எதுக்கு கப்பு உனக்குன்னா? சில பேர் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, அந்த கப்புல பாயசம் பாயசம் கப்புலன்னு பார்த்துட்டே இருப்பா. பாயசம் பாயசம் பாயசம்னு பார்த்துட்டு என்ன வரும்? ஆனந்தமாக வரும். அது கப்புல இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் நமக்கு ஆனந்தம் வராது. எப்போ ஆனந்தம் வரும்? when you enjoy, when you swallow, when you consume. As long as it is in the cup, you cannot enjoy and you have to hold. It may spilt any time. Is it not? Some dog will come and take away, or cat will come and take away, as long as you are holding that. Intelligent enna pannanum? அந்த கிளாஸ் கப் பண்ணா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஷிவரிங் வந்துடும். உடஞ்சிருக்கு முன்னாடியே பாயசம் குடிச்சிட்டு அப்புறம் பத்திரமா அங்கே வச்சிடும். ஹேண்ட் ஓவர். அது மாதிரி இந்த பாடி கப் அந்த பிரம்மனுங்கிற பாயசம் பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கக்கூடாது. நான் பிரம்மன் நான் பிரம்மன் நான் பிரம்மன் சொல்லிகிட்டே இருந்தேன்னு என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? அஷ்டாவக்கர கீதை ரொம்ப நன்னா இருக்க சுவாமினி, பாயசம் பிரம்மன் நன்னா இருக்க, துரியம் பிரம்ம, ஏய் துரியம் பிரம்மா ஐ ஆம்னு சொல்லு, நான் தான் அந்த துரியம் பிரம்மன் சொல்லி இந்த உடம்பு மேலே பற்று விடு. பற்று விட்டுட்டு I thank to this body and other bodies also who are related to this body. Everyone I thank, including my Guru. Guru also another container cup, no? I thank to that cup also. This is the intelligent way of living. Janaka Maharaja is the one who is intelligent. You want to become like Janaka or not? You have to. So, aho vishwam kalpitam mayi. Next shloka. Matto vinirgatam vishwam mayyeva layameshyati mrudi kumbho jale vichihi kumbho jale vichihi, not vachi. Okay. Mrudi kumbho jale vichihi kanake katakam yatham. Janaka Maharaja giving lot of examples. By many examples you can understand what? Original, Darshtantam. Many students, they remember example very well. What for this example used? So many examples he gives, you see. Second line, yatha, just as. Mrudi kumbhaha layam eti. Mrudi kumbhaha, mrudi in clay, in clay. Into the clay. Kumbhaha means pot. Pot dissolves into clay. Clay pot dissolves into clay. Mridi kumbhaha layam eti. You have to supply. Layam eti means dissolves into kumbh. Because karyam has to merge into karanam. One example. Number 2, jale vichihi. Jale means into the waters. Into the waters. Vichihi means wave. Tarangam. Wave merges into what? Water. Because it came from water, it has to go into water only. So therefore wave merges into water. Vichi means tarangam, wave. Vichihi jale layam yeti. Vichihi, the wave merges into water only. Second example. Third example, katakam kanake layam eti. Katakam na bangle. Once you, the golden bangle, melt it, it is going into what? Gold. Its own karanam. Karyam has to merge into karanam. Pot is karyam, it has to merge into clay. Wave is karyam, it has to merge into its karanam, water. Bangle has to merge into its karanam, cause gold. Nice? Nice. Similarly, yeshyati yatha tatha. Tatha you have to supply for first line. Tatha what? He says, mattaha vinirgatam vishwam. That universe. Vishwam, universe. Mattaha vinirgatam, which has come out of me. Who says? I am telling. I the Atma, Brahman. Janaka Maharaja is telling, I am. When Janaka Maharaja says, I am, mattaha, from me, what we have to say? From me. Janaka and Cholakudad. From me. Janaka from me cholrar. Namma cholanam? From me. Mattaha vishwam vinirgatam means emerges out, born, manifest. Once it is born from me, it has to layam yeshyati. Mayi eva layam yeshyati. It cannot go into some other place. It has to merge into me only. More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।